Hi everyone, welcome back to OFW Wealth TV, your go-to channel for financial literacy and general finance tips. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss any of our future content.
Part 1. Understanding dropshipping. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty, let's first understand what dropshipping is all about. In a nutshell, dropshipping is a business model where you, as the store owner, don't need to keep any inventory. Instead, you partner with suppliers who handle the storage, packaging, and shipping of products directly to your customers. Your job is to focus on marketing and customer service, making it a low-risk and easy-to-start venture. Part 2. Find your niche. Finding your niche is the foundation of a successful dropshipping business. In this step, you'll identify the specific products or product categories you want to sell. Start by considering your interests, passions, and expertise. Combining these with market research, you can discover products with high demand and low competition. Tools like Google Trends can help you identify trending products, and competitor analysis will offer insights into what's already working in the market. Selecting a niche that aligns with your interests will keep you motivated and engaged throughout your entrepreneurial journey. Part 3. Analyze your competitors. Analyzing your competitors is a crucial step in understanding your market and identifying opportunities for differentiation. Conduct thorough research on other dropshipping businesses operating in your chosen niche. Study their product range, pricing strategies, marketing efforts, and customer engagement. By doing so, you can learn from their successes and mistakes, identifying gaps in the market that you can fill. Look for unique selling points and ways to stand out from the competition. This information will also help you determine a competitive pricing strategy for your products. Remember, competition is healthy and can inspire innovation. Use this analysis to refine your business plan and develop a clear strategy for success. Part 4. Figure out the logistics of running a dropshipping business. In this critical phase, you'll focus on the logistical aspects of your dropshipping business. This includes setting up the necessary infrastructure to manage orders, payments, and shipping. Start by choosing reliable and secure payment gateways to ensure smooth transactions for your customers. Next, establish clear shipping methods and delivery times in collaboration with your dropshipping supplier. Efficient logistics are crucial for customer satisfaction, so make sure to communicate accurate shipping information to your customers and provide order tracking options. Additionally, consider implementing a robust inventory management system to keep track of stock levels and avoid overselling. The logistics phase ensures that your operations are streamlined, minimizing any potential delays or errors that could impact your customer experience. Part 5. Find a reliable dropshipping supplier. Finding a reputable dropshipping supplier is fundamental to the success of your business. As a dropshipper, you won't be handling the physical inventory yourself, so partnering with a reliable supplier is essential. Look for suppliers with a proven track record of timely order fulfillment and high-quality products. One way to do this is by reading reviews and testimonials from other dropshippers who have worked with them. Popular dropshipping platforms like AliExpress, Sellwho, or Oberlo can connect you with a vast network of suppliers, making it easier to find one that suits your niche and requirements. When you've shortlisted potential suppliers, establish clear communication with them and clarify any doubts you may have about their processes and policies. Part 6. Marketing your dropshipping business. Marketing is the heart of any successful dropshipping business. In this phase, you'll leverage various digital marketing strategies to promote your products and attract potential customers. Utilize social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to engage with your target audience. Create compelling and visually appealing content that showcases your product's benefits. Collaborate with influencers or micro-influencers in your niche to expand your reach. Additionally, consider running paid advertisements to increase visibility. Email marketing is another powerful tool to nurture relationships with existing customers and offer exclusive deals. Part 7. Build your dropshipping business store. Building an appealing and user-friendly online store is essential for creating a positive shopping experience for your customers. Choose a reliable e-commerce platform like Shopify, BigCommerce, or WooCommerce to set up your store. Select a visually engaging theme that aligns with your niche and brand. Organize your product categories in a clear and intuitive manner, making it easy for customers to find what they're looking for. Incorporate high-quality product images and detailed descriptions to entice potential buyers. Ensure that your website is mobile responsive, as many customers shop on their smartphones. Part 8. Optimize your dropshipping site. Optimizing your dropshipping site ensures that it performs at its best and provides an excellent user experience. Start by conducting a thorough audit of your website to identify any potential issues or areas for improvement. Focus on improving site loading speed to reduce bounce rates and improve search engine rankings. Implement on-page SEO techniques by using relevant keywords in product titles, descriptions, and meta tags. Ensure that your site's navigation is smooth and intuitive, allowing customers to find products effortlessly. Encourage customer reviews and testimonials, as they build trust and credibility. Consider offering multiple payment options to accommodate diverse customer preferences. Regularly monitor your website's performance using tools like Google Analytics to gain valuable insights and make data-driven decisions. A well-optimized dropshipping site not only boosts your search engine rankings, but also enhances user satisfaction, leading to increased conversions and sales. Part 9. Market your store. Continuing to market your dropshipping store is crucial for sustained success. Engage with your audience through social media, email newsletters, and regular content updates. Offer promotions, discounts, and loyalty programs to encourage repeat business. Collaborate with influencers and affiliates to expand your reach and attract new customers. Use retargeting ads to reach potential customers who showed interest in your products. Stay active in online communities and forums related to your niche to build brand awareness. Consistent marketing efforts keep your dropshipping store in the minds of potential buyers and foster a loyal customer base. Part 10. Prepare your finances. Managing your finances is vital for a thriving dropshipping business. Set a budget for marketing, inventory, and operational costs. Keep track of your expenses and profits to gauge your business's financial health. Reinvest profits wisely to scale your business. Consider using accounting software to streamline financial management. Stay disciplined with your finances to ensure sustainability and avoid potential cash flow issues. Part 11. Register your business. Legalize your dropshipping business by registering it as a legal entity. Choose an appropriate legal structure, such as a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Registering your business provides legal protection and separates personal and business liabilities. Consult with legal and financial professionals to ensure compliance with local laws and regulations. Part 12. Where to find a dropshipping business for sale. If you prefer to acquire an existing dropshipping business, platforms like Exchange Marketplace and Flippa offer opportunities to buy established stores. Research available businesses, analyzing their financial performance, customer reviews, and niche relevance. Look for a dropshipping business with a solid track record, loyal customer base, and growth potential. Carefully review the terms of the sale and seek professional guidance during the acquisition process. Buying an existing dropshipping business can provide a head start and eliminate some of the initial setup challenges. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow aspiring entrepreneurs. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more valuable content on dropshipping and other exciting business ideas.